The shocking death of Karen Swift, her husband's trial and the search for answers. The 44-year-old Tennessee mother of four was found dead in October 2011. On the night of October 29, 2011, the small town of Dyersburg, Tennessee, was alive with Halloween excitement. That spirit turned truly dark after Karen Swift, a 44-year-old mother of four, vanished. Only her car, found abandoned by two hunters on a rural roadside the next morning, and her two smashed cell phones, discovered near a neighbor's house, remained. 6 weeks later, what began as a missing persons case became a murder mystery, as Karen's body was found hidden beneath a tangle of vines by a caretaker near Bledsoe Cemetery in Dyer County. An autopsy determined that she suffered blunt force trauma to the head. The case went cold, with no arrests made for over a decade, leaving a shadow over Halloween in Dyersburg and haunting the community. On August 8, 2022, the cold case thawed as police announced the arrest of Karen's husband, David Swift. After being indicted by a grand jury, David was charged with first-degree premeditated murder. He pleaded not guilty to the charge. The arrest came as a shock to many, including David and Karen's then 20-year-old daughter Ashley. "I remember, trying to figure out why," Ashley Swift said in a new interview with 2020. "Why right now? Why after all these years is this happening?" David's trial began on May 28, 2024. Community members wondered what evidence would explain his sudden arrest after 11 quiet years. On the first day of the trial, the prosecution warned the jury that they would not present this as a DNA case, nor would their key evidence involve fingerprint or ballistic testing. On the morning of October 29, 2011, the eve of the night Karen disappeared, she rebuffed David's reconciliatory offer to get dinner with him later that evening. The state's theory was that rejection was eating at David, as Assistant District Attorney Tim Box put it during the trial, and Box speculated that David began to understand that Karen was truly leaving him, and this time, it's forever. "I look at how easily I talked to David, and believed everything that he told me," Essman said. "And the sense that I got that he was sincere. Why didn't I see it? How do I trust that I can see through anything else?" 2020 obtained footage of what appears to be David at Essman's residence in the middle of the night after they were already separated. "I pulled up the feed," Essman told 2020. "And there he was in my backyard, in the middle of the night. He had to drive 40 minutes, one way, to get to my house." When Karen Swift first went missing in 2011, the community of Dyersburg was gripped by a deep hunger for answers that could offer closure for them and justice for Karen. After 13 years and one trial, this yearning remains unfulfilled. But Karen's memory, and the hope of those who cherish it, still promises to endure.